In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Base44. Keeping your profile picture up to date is a simple way to make your account feel more personal and professional, especially if you work with a team. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. You don't need any advanced knowledge to do this. You just need to be logged in to your Base44 account. Let's start on the main Base44 interface. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There, you should see the name of your current workspace. This might be the name of your company, your team, or a project space you're working in. Go ahead and click on that workspace name. This opens a small menu that gives you access to various options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Account Settings. This is where Base44 keeps all of the controls related to your personal profile, security, and preferences. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the menu carefully, because the exact layout can vary slightly depending on updates to the platform. Once you click Account Settings, you'll be taken to a new page. On the Account Settings page, look for the section that refers to your profile. This is where your profile image, name, and other personal details usually appear. There should be an area or button related to your profile image, often showing your current picture, or a placeholder icon if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click directly on the profile image area. This action will open the profile image controls, allowing you to update or change your photo. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Base44 will typically guide you through selecting an image from your computer or device. Choose a clear image, preferably a square or close to it, so it crops nicely. After you select your file, you may see options to adjust the cropping or positioning of the picture. Take a moment to line it up the way you like, then confirm or save your changes. Once the upload is complete, your new profile picture should appear in your account settings and in the top corner of the app. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your profile picture in Base44.